Good morning, traders. It is Tuesday, June 9th, 2026. It's Julian, aka the Trader Medic. What are we looking at this morning? We're looking at the Qs, Intel, Tesla, Nvidia. We've got levels drawn out. We have 1 minute until the market opens, 30 seconds to be precise. Definitely, I was trying to trade AZI in the pre-market and took kind of a bigger loss than usual. Kind of annoyed at myself right now. So we are going to take it nice and chill and see if we can make back some of our losses. Yeah, I just kind of sized up too big. Had some really strong unrealized losses, unrealized wins. Gave those up and kind of just traded poorly after that. So here we go. Markets open. Watching the Qs. Let's go. Just checking I got my new squawk working here because usually
markets are now open. Good luck, everyone.
There we go. So we really need to see our levels hit and go from there. I'm watching Nvidia. Nvidia's looking strong here. I was looking at some 212s maybe. Definitely looking strong here. Kind of a wider spread, so we'll have to wait for that to calm down a little bit. So what are we looking at for the Qs? I think we had 723s, but they're already pretty near there. So maybe 725s would be good. Qs are looking kind of Qs are dropping off a little bit. It's Nvidia. I feel like Nvidia is the play today. Yeah. Wow, Qs are really dropping here.
On AIM, announcing the 2.65 million financing price at market. AIM.
It's interesting to see the ES going up and the Qs going down. Complete opposites here. Wonder if that speaks to rotation. I also was looking at Tesla 412s. I'm going to stick to my Qs play here. I'm amazed to see the ES just shooting up and the Qs dropping. So maybe that's a precursor that the Qs are about to rip.
On Roblox, RBLX thought that Russia is considering unblocking Roblox.
Definitely some selling pressure here. Okay, the ES is turned downward. Very volatile situation here. I had 720 as my support for the Qs here. So a little taster on some 725 calls. Going in with some size here. Average price 4.4. Stop at 4.2.
Remember, it's on Qualcomm, QQQ. We are seeing volatility on the name. Keep in mind, there was some circulations on social media and even hitting desks this morning of a video of NVIDIA's Jensen saying to buy Qualcomm. That video has come out to be false and AI generated. And we are seeing that weakness on Qualcomm, QCOM, as reality is hitting that was not a real video. Be careful.
Kind of up 5% here. Stop at 4.4, up 10%. Just took out half. Stop at 4.45. I'm okay adding back in if this rips. Yeah, I just took out, I took out some more. I mean, I took out all of it. just gonna watch this a little bit. I'm ready to get back in if I have to here. Yes is curling. So just to be clear, I'm out right now. And at 422, 446, and sold for 459. Trying to find some direction here. Things feel a little heavy. Okay, I'm in pretty big size here. Average price 4.6, stop 4.3 to start. Up 2%, 3%. Average cost 4.6, stop to 4.4 now. Up 4%. Again, average price is 4.6, and now I'm going to 4.5. This would be nice to blow off the top here. Up 5%, stop at 4.6. Don't really want to go to break even here, but what are you going to do? Added a little bit more. Average price 473, stop at 462. Okay, this is looking pretty sweet. Up 6%, 7%, lots of volume coming in. Again, really big effing size. Stop at 475, which is above break even. I'm seeing volume coming in, so I'm okay sitting here. Up over 7%. 10%, 10.5, 11%. These are 725 calls. Eight percent, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11. Really trying to hold these here for the move. Yeah, it's pretty good. Up over 12%. Okay, I'm going to take out a little bit here. Reset my stop loss. Where am I? 473, so I'll go 490. 13.7%. Big effing size still. Pushing up towards 15%. 16%. Okay. One more push higher. And we're going to take out a little bit more. Reset my stop loss. Still big size, 473, stop at 499. $16, 17%. Okay, on that push there, I'm going to take out another half. Okay, crushing. Stay focused. Stop at 5. 17. Okay, we got to hold some of this now. 18%. Maybe I'm just going to trail. Stop at 5.2. %. Mole mole. 25%. Let's just hold these bad boys. Yes, 27%, 28%. Okay, don't be greedy. Selling half. Stop at 4, 5.
We're watching the markets continuing to hit new highs. No specific headline at all in regards to this move. But volume is coming into the upside. Once again, no specific headline in regards to this upside move in the markets.
We're up at 27%. Because there's no catalyst, I think I might get out here. Okay, I'm fully out. Whew, that was awesome. I needed that. That's great. I'm just going to take a breath here because that was pretty intense. That was the biggest trade I've done in a long time. Nvidia wants to play catch up here. Okay, we're going to go into NVIDIA here. What do we got? 233 is my, so 223 can be my stop. Average price was 233. And I'm 223. A little bit of increasing volume at the bottom here. You can see my stop over here. I don't know, I might get stopped out of this guy. Minus 3%, minus 4%. I was just hoping that the index strength would give people confidence to buy into NVIDIA. That's the thesis. Okay, we're still in the trade here. Minus 2%. Gonna get stopped out here. Just a small little position. I got stopped out there. So we're gonna go back to the Qs and see if we can just get a reload here. Now reloads, you got to be really patient. Don't want to catch a falling knife here. I'm going to go with the 726, so a little higher than my last trade. Obviously smaller size. So now we're coming back down to a moving average, the 9. So probably if it goes down to 724, that could be a buying point. There's going to be profit taking. That was a big move. There's going to be some FOMO for people that missed that move. So we want to see it come back down to that green line and retest that. It might not get there though.
Remember, continuing headlines talks on an agreement to prevent Iran from acquiring a nuclear weapon are achieving positive results, coming from a White House official. Coming from Semaphore, uranium mining market heats up amid nuclear powered data centers bet. That's coming from Semaphore.
This is kind of the level I was talking about. See if the buyers step in here. It looks like they are. Like I said, it's going to test that green line again. Probably a little bit below. I'm looking at 726 calls. I Again, extra patience required. I'm almost thinking 725s now. While this is dropping, let's just go look at the gains I made percentage wise. So let me just bring up ChatGPT, which is what I use to do quick calculations on that. So total percent gain. So I made 20%, 19.84%. So that was just an awesome trade, but I want to see if I can capture some more of this. So let's keep going here. Now we're getting down to VWAP. VWAP was 722.7. So now we're testing VWAP here.
Remember, it's coming up at 10 a.m. We do have your existing home sales expected at 4.07 million. Also, wholesale inventory is expected at 0.5%, coming up at 10 a.m.
So something to be said for maybe not being in a trade for the next 6 minutes. We got 5 minutes till the hour. So I think I'll just wait to see what print that is. Or I could enter the trade with a very strong stop loss here. So I'm just going to bring up, oh, maybe I'll end the video. You kind of saw the trade there. You could see my buying here and my selling here. Almost 20%. Super stoked with that. Sadly, not covering all my losses from the earlier trades. So you can see that my pre-market trade was actually quite a big red trade, but I made back more than half on that trade. So pretty stoked, but I got work to do. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.